Imagine a small dumpling that traveled from the streets of Tibet and Nepal to the bustling food courts of New York, London, and Dubai. Yes, I'm talking about momos, a humble dish that's now becoming an international food business sensation. But here's the real question. How can you turn this street food into a booming business with global flavors and skyrocketing sales? Welcome to Momo.Business Bonanza, where we'll explore the story, the flavors, and the strategies that can transform your food idea into a profitable venture. Understanding the Momo business. History and origin. Momos originated in Tibet and Nepal. They quickly spread to India, Bhutan, and other Asian countries. They are affordable, customizable, and universally loved. Why momos are a business opportunity? Low investment, high return. Raw material is cheap. Flour, vegetables, chicken, spices. Fast food demand is rising. People love quick bites more than full meals. They're customizable. You can change filling, shape, sauces, and even cooking style. Global market size. The street food industry is expected to cross $1.3 trillion by 2030. Momos fit into the fast casual and healthy eating trend. Cities like New York, Los Angeles, Toronto, and London already have Momo-only outlets thriving. International flavors and creative twists. Asian fusion. Korean kimchi momos, spicy and tangy, loved by young customers. Japanese teriyaki chicken momos, sweet and savory. Thai basil momos, with lemongrass and chili for exotic appeal. Example story. In Singapore, a small food stall introduced kimchi momos, and within 6 months, they had lines of office workers waiting every lunch break. The fusion worked because it combined local love for kimchi with the global dumpling trend. Western fusion. Cheese burst momos, Italian style. Barbecue chicken momos, American style. Pesto veggie momos, European twist. Example story. A startup in California experimented with barbecue sauce fillings inside momos. At first, people were surprised, but once they tasted it, customers kept coming back. Today, that small stall runs 3 outlets. Dessert momos. Chocolate momos with Nutella. Apple cinnamon momos. Mango cream momos. Dessert momos increase average order value. Health-conscious momos. Gluten-free momos with rice flour. Keto momos with almond flour wrap. Vegan momos with tofu and spinach filling. Each flavor expansion means a new customer segment and more sales. Business model, marketing, and sales growth. Startup costs and setup. A small food cart, $1,000 to $2,000. A small dine-in cafe, $10,000 to $20,000. A cloud kitchen, lower cost, perfect for delivery apps. Pricing strategy. Street cart pricing, $3 to $5 per plate. Premium cafe pricing, $7 to $12 per plate. Dessert or fusion momos are higher margin items.
Marketing techniques. TikTok and Instagram Reels showing steaming momos can go viral. Bundle deals like buy 2 plates, get 1 free. Collaborations with delivery apps such as Uber Eats and DoorDash. Loyalty programs with free sauce upgrades and discounts on repeat orders. Scaling the business. Start local, then expand via franchise model. Build a strong brand identity around flavors and hygiene. Invest in packaging, especially eco-friendly boxes with attractive branding. Closing. From a simple dumpling in the Himalayas to a billion-dollar food industry across the world, momos have shown us that even the smallest idea can become a massive business opportunity if you innovate and adapt. The real magic lies in flavors. By adding international twists like kimchi, barbecue, or chocolate, you don't just sell food, you sell experiences. So if you're ready to start your own food venture, maybe the future of your success is hidden inside a small, steamed dumpling. This was Momo.Business Bonanza. If you loved this business idea, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more profitable insights.